Good afternoon, friends. You are most welcome to Think Eyes channel. Today we are discussing the Kurukshetra magazine. Our topic is 6th International Day of Yoga celebration. The 6th International Day of Yoga was celebrated with a great enthusiasm across the country through electronic and digital media on June 21, 2020. Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi addressing the nation on this occasion underlying the role of yoga in strengthening the family bondage. He said yoga brings all closer and binds every member of the family, including children and elders. This is the reason why yoga with family has been made the theme of this year's IDY, International Day of Yoga. The Prime Minister further said COVID-19 mainly attacks the pulmonary organs of the human body and pranayams are helpful in strengthening the respiratory system. He said if we can fine tune our chords of health and hope, the day is not far away when the world will witness the success of healthy and happy humanity. Yoga can definitely help us make this happen. My life, my yoga. Practice yoga for a healthy body and mind. This is the yoga theme. Due to current pandemic COVID-19, mass gatherings on International Day of Yoga were not advisable. Keeping this situation in mind, the government encouraged people to practice yoga at their homes along with their family members. In this regard, the Ministry of Ayush maximized the use of social and digital media platforms to facilitate online participation from the people. On this occasion, the Minister of State for Ayush, Sri Shripad Nayak, said International Day of Yoga has turned into the biggest public health movement. Now every country of the world celebrates IDY, International Day of Yoga, and the public has embraced this event and adopting it as a celebration of India's culture and tradition. He started The minister said that this year International Day of Yoga comes in the middle of a health emergency, so the Ayush Ministry has been fostering and facilitating the trend of practicing yoga at homes through various online and hybrid online initiatives since the last 3 months. The minister praised My Life, My Yoga video blogging contest announced by the Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi for raising awareness about yoga. Sri Nayak further said that many leading yoga institutions have joined forces with the ministry in this effort. Such activities intensifies in the last 1 month with added focus of training in Common Yoga Protocol CYP, which is followed by participants of International Day of Yoga every year for ensuring harmony in the mass demonstration of yoga. While giving the vote of thanks, Ministry of Ayush Vidya Rajesh Kotecha said that the new scenario in the aim of International Day of Yoga is to focus on its health, rewards, and to do yoga at home on Yoga Day. The Ministry of Ayush is supporting this trend by promoting the theme Yoga at Home, Yoga with Family in its International Day of Yoga activities. Sri Kotecha said that the Ministry of Ayush streamed various online initiatives including day morning CYP session on Doordarshan and social media for people to follow and learn the protocol. The secretary said that numerous individuals and institutions, including educational institutions, government bodies, business firms, industries, and cultural organizations, have committed themselves to joining International Day of Yoga for the benefit of their employees, members, or other stakeholders from their home itself. Through such efforts, the yoga fraternities in different parts of the country are now ready to observe International Day of Yoga with thousands of families joining the same from their respective homes, the secretary added. He also informed about Ayush Sanjeevani mobile app for generating data of large population with a target of 5 million people. My Life, My Yoga, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India. Physical health, Satkarma Asana. Enthusiasm, Pranayama and Pratyahara. Skill improvement, Asana and Pranayama and Dhyana. Yoga for children. धन्यवाद. Thank you very much.